Hey guys, it's Ed again. Well, I got some deliveries today in the mail, so I thought I'd show you what we got. Some more pieces and parts for the XR75 project. Hopefully, I think we've got enough to get it done. So, well, maybe not done, but closer, real close to firing her up. So that's going to be really cool. Okay guys, this is what we ended up getting. We have a new spark plug. This is, you can see that maybe, if it focuses. This is C7HSA. This is stock plug for the XR. This kit here, actually, this came as a kit. It comes with a new set of points, condensers, new rub block. It's even got a seal here. Not sure exactly where that would go. It's even got dielectric grease in it, I can see. It's got new screws. Pretty nice kit, actually. That's pretty cool. Also comes with the part that we needed. Here is the new stator coil. So this whole kit right here was like 30 some bucks. It's called ReMX. This guy is Dan. And I met him on the XR75 Facebook group. He's on there, and actually I think he moderates it quite a bit. And he, I told him they wanted $45 on eBay for this kit, and he's like, well, I can do better than that. And then to find out, the guy is actually the owner of ReMX, which I have bought stuff from before, and it was great. So just if you guys are working on it, I'm going to plug them a little bit and let you know. He also sent me two. I've already taken them out of the packages, but these are brand new side cover grommets. So I got two of them. That'll take care of the side cover. A couple other things came in. These aren't the. Oh yeah. Also, I want to show you this. There is a swap meet, okay? It's coming up this weekend. Anybody down, I think around, this is the Potomac Vintage Rider Swap Meet and Vintage Bike Show. He sent me this card, says it's a really good show for vintage bikes. It's Sunday, January 28th. It's a one-day thing. It's from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., $10 admission at the York Fairgrounds in Pennsylvania. So it's about a 6-hour ride for me, so I'm not sure I'm going to make it down. But hey, some of you guys might be in that area, and you might want to check this out because it looks like it's going to be a really good show. Other things that have come in the mail is this. What do you guys think? New Honda badges for the tank, 1 and 2, and XR75s, 2 of those for the side covers. So that'll make her look like a Honda. So we've got those. The other thing I want to take you over and show you, because I was itching to put this on, and you know, because from the previous videos, of how I've been trying to morph a Chinese carburetor on one of these bikes, and I think we have the solution. So let's take a walk over there and see what I did. So what do you guys think? This, oops, sorry about that, is the $8.99 free shipping Chinese 24 to 28 millimeter Mikuni adapter. This is a Chinese Keihin carburetor, and using the slide, actually, oh, that's not the slide, where's the slide, and everything from my old carburetor. So it's using the same throttle cable, all that's rigged up, it has the same size slide. So I've kind of adapted these two to make them work. The only thing that I've had to do, everything looks pretty copacetic. This space, let's see if I can get you guys in here. Okay. This, I haven't got it bolted together, as you see, but get my fingers out of the way. I pushed it down, so this will bolt. There's a bolt that goes in here and bolts it together. But I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to show you guys what I did. So we'll pull this apart. Things are a little tight, which is good. There it goes. Out of there. Here's the carburetor. The major modification I made, hang on a second, let me flip you guys around so I can see what I'm doing. The major modification I made is I had to bend this out, this choke, so I could actually get to it. It was hitting on the frame. But once I adjusted that out, it's closing or opening all the way, so I'm good with that. That should work. Let's pull this off. This was the part we had to create. So what we have here is the intake tube, and we have, as you can see, it fit pretty tight. I have the piece of rubber washing machine hose wedged on here, and it is on there super tight, so I'm not really concerned about that going anywhere. The big problem I had was I had to make sure that this side right here would fit snugly over this side, and guess what? It does, and that's without tightening up the clamp. So it fits nice and snug. I think it'll create a nice seal. I think we're going to be in good shape. The only thing that's a little squirrely is this hole and this hole. Now I'll hold them next to each other. I think you guys can see that the adapter has a much bigger hole. So when they come to go together, they kind of set inside one another. And it's not a great fit. And actually, now that I have it apart, I might, no, actually, now that I'm looking at it, I thought maybe down in here that it was having a little bit of a gap there, but I think it's just touching. So this outer ring right here, this outer ring is contacting the outer part of this aluminum, but barely. We're talking very, very barely. So that could become an issue. I'm thinking worst case scenario, what I need to do, and I hate to do it because I'm really starting to push on the space here, because if I peel this gasket off, put a new gasket on over here, and I'm adding space. So if I take a piece of 1/8 inch aluminum and I create a little plate to go in between these two, it's adding more space. And you've seen how hard it came off. So it's getting tight. So you don't want the distance to get too much thicker. I can probably, I've even had this thought before, if it was too tight, what I could do, I am kind of thinking out loud as I'm going here, is there's a, I don't know if you guys can see that. You might be able to, the light isn't good, but there's like a little step in there. You can see that little lip. That's kind of what this is catching on. So as it goes on, it only goes on till it gets up to that. And I think I could squeeze it past that. Or what I could do is cut this back a little bit more here. Cut it and push it on a little bit farther, so when it actually engages it, it's on more of the tube. So the tube is up closer to this side of it. So yeah, I think we're in business. I think we can make it work. Worst case scenario, you know, I make a new aluminum plate to go in there. I may even just try to add a paper gasket in here. This isn't the one that probably goes to it, but then again, maybe it is. Yeah, kind of is, kind of isn't. But anyway, I can I can make a paper gasket maybe. That might give me enough to seal it up. But I don't know yet. We'll have to give it a try, but I think we're getting pretty close to getting it right. So guys, just a short video. Wanted to show you how we were coming on it, and it's coming along well. Still some bumps, but we'll get to it. And thanks for watching and subscribing and commenting. And you guys have been really helpful with the ultrasonic cleaner video that I put out. So thank you for that and the information you've been giving me with that. Bye.